falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to.
Hi guys, it's Ru.
And then,
For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa
Capones Vista Beach Resort here in Pundakit,
Zambales.
San Antonio, Zambales.
Yeah.
It's my second time na around San Antonio. Nakapag-anawangin ako before, but now magstay lang kami dito sa isang resort na nakita ko online. Actually, they closed parang 2025.
1 year.
Nag-renovate sila. So ngayon, mas maganda and better yung place. And then yung stay namin dito is 2 days and 1 night lang. Weekend getaway lang talaga siya.
Oo,
Babalik
talagang
na rin
mabilis
ng
lang.
Manila. Kasama namin yung mga friends.
Siyempre, mga babies namin.
Oo.
Tsaka nakita ko maganda yung beach eh. What color yung sand nila dito?
Black siya, pero I
Oo.
think parang yung malapit dun sa shore niya is fine sand naman,
Yes.
pero black sand. Ayun. We'll update you guys dito sa room namin. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo, nag-check-in muna kami. Ayan. Ayan, nag-deposit din pala kami online
50%.
para ma-reserve yung room, and
Yes.
yung price alagay ko na lang dito.
Yes.
So that's 5,500. Beachfront room na yon, good for 2 packs. May kasama na ring breakfast.
Yes.
Yan, strict sila sa
3
room
PM.
check-in.
Oo.
3 p.m.
Yes.
And we're going to check out ng 12 p.m. tomorrow.
Yan.
Ayan, room
Let's
tour
go.
ko kayo later. Just check-in our room. Ayan, sobrang higpit nila sa check-in time. As in, 3 p.m. nila kami hinatid dito sa room. And anyway, so mahal talaga siguro yung kuryente ngayon and gas, kaya mahigpit sila sa policy nila. Ayan, so pagpasok nyo, dito kami na-assign sa new building. And ito yung 4-2 na room. This is the toilet. So pagpasok nyo, may mirror, may bidet, and then may shower. And then, on this side naman, so ito yung TV, and then may ref, tapos aircon, and then on this side, ito yung parang open cabinet nila. Ayan, nandito yung towel, slippers, tapos may kasama rin na soap, tissue, and then shampoo. Tapos yan, ito naman yung bed. So sa bed nila, I think this is a queen size bed. Yan, malaki-laki siya, good for 2. And kung may baby kayo nakasama like us. And then this is the amazing view from our room. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. That's why we decided to stay here. O diba? Yan, ang init pa. So okay itong lounging area na to kapag morning siguro or mamayang hapon for sunset. Ayan yung view dito guys. Yan.
after namin mag-swim,
Yan, nag-bath na.
bath na rin. Tapos, we advance order kasi usually ang serving time nila dito is 30 to 40 minutes. By the way, guys, merong room na pwede magdala ng food.
Outside
But
food, yeah.
sadly, yung na-avail natin is walang or bawal magdala ng
Yung
food.
room na pwedeng magdala ng food, I think yung mga for bigger group, yung mga parang executive room or mga 6 packs above na room yung pwede. Pero yun, meron naman sila ditong restaurant, but it's quite expensive yung price. To think na for one person lang daw yung ibang serving nila. So yun, okay na rin kasi at least kakain ka na lang, hindi mo na isipin.
Share na rin namin yung menu nila.
Yan, for your reference, ito yung menu nila. Ito yung mga prices. So, yung ibang food is good for sharing, but yung iba solo lang. To think na yun yung price niya. So, medyo mahal. And then, this one, ito yung breakfast. Ito yung options. Ito yung mga kasama dun sa breakfast nyo sa room. But if you want to upgrade, ito yung mga options. Additional 200 per order. Yan. They have also snacks. Like burgers, pasta, sandwiches, and then ito snacks. If vegan or vegetarian kayo, yan yung mga options. And then, ito naman yung main course. May mga seafood, fish, pork. Ayan. And then, soup and salad, desserts. Tapos, on this side, mga beverages. Then, bottle, mga beers, shooters. Yan. May corkage to kasi kapag nagdala. So, yan. Dito na lang kayo bumili. So, this is our dinner. Ito sa akin, grilled cheese. Nagulat ako, ang dami. Pero, hindi ko pa nakikita kung mozzarella ba yung cheese na ginamit nila. Let's see. Oh, cheddar lang. Then, ito kayo tofu sisig. Tapos, ano yan, Ki, yung order nyo? Pakbet. And then, lumpiang Shanghai na medyo nasunog.
Pinakbet with bagnet.
Bagnet. Okay. And then, mango shake. That's 230.
Good morning. This is our last day here sa aming quick getaway.
Yes, and nakapag-quick freshen up na kami bago lumabas kasi sobrang init talaga eh. Medyo irritated si baby ngayon kasi may nararamdaman siya.
At yung tummy niya.
So ayan, mag-breakfast muna kami sa baba din. Try namin makapag-picture pa, makapag-photoshoot kasi ang ganda nung araw ngayon, ang ganda ng lighting dito. Pero medyo mainit kasi. So let's see, let's go. Namin mag-photoshoot saglit kasi sobrang init na kahit 8 AM pa lang. Kaya inuna namin na mag-shoot muna konti. And then ayan, mag-breakfast na kami dito. Ito yung in-order namin na breakfast. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. This one is the bangsalog. Yan, juice yung pinili namin, orange juice. And then this one is mine. In-upgrade ko siya to Spanish omelette. Yan, bread, egg, butter, and jam. Let's eat!
And that's it for our quick getaway here in Zambales.
Ayun, yung stay namin, bitin siya. So, not ideal kasi nakakapagod lang yung biyahe. Lalo na kung may toddler kayo or may kasama kayong kids. So, siguro 3 days and 2 nights, okay na siya. So, yun lang. Nag-check out na kami, nag-settle lang kami ng bill. And then, yun, chinek na yung room. So, we're ready to go home. Outside na lang or along the way na lang kami mag-quick lunch siguro kung anong okay na madaanan namin.
Yun, then share ko lang din guys kasi 'di ba, nag-dinner kami dito kagabi tapos nag-breakfast na rin. Ang mode of payment niya is via cash or meron silang QR code. Then ang payment nyo is hindi yung pagkatapos nyo kumain.
Charge to the room na lang.
Yeah, charge to the room na lang. Yes.
Tsaka niyo isa-settle lahat ng mga
Yun.
na gamit nyo or na-order nyo dito.
Yun. See you on our next vlog. Bye!